back to my channel. So let's continue the fifth chapter, Arithmetic Progressions. So we are continuing the exercise number 5.3 from the textbook. So if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. So next question is question number 4 from exercise number 5.3. So how many terms of the AP 9, 17, 25 must be taken to give a sum of 636? So we have given the first 3 terms of an AP and we also given the sum of that AP. So we need to find the number of terms included in that arithmetic progression. So let's write that. So we don't know the common difference. So first we have to find the common difference. So here A1 equals to 9, A2 equals to 17 and A3 equals to 25. So for finding the common difference, we can find D equals to A2 minus A1, D equals to A2 minus A1, which is 17 minus 9 equals to 8. So the common difference is 8 here. So now let's find the number of terms. So we also given the sum of this AP. So Sn equals to, for finding sum of an AP, Sn equals to n by 2 multiplied by 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Correct? This is the formula to find the sum. So that is n by 2. We don't know the value of n by 2 multiplied by 2a. A equals to 9. 2 times 9 plus n minus 1 into d. D equals to 8 is equal to how much? We have given 636. The sum is equals to 636. So that will be n by 2 multiplied by 2 times 9 is 18 and we can remove the bracket here. 18 plus 8n minus 8 equals to 636. So let's divide this by 2. So that will be n multiplied by 18 will go 9n, that will be 9n plus 4n minus 4, correct, equals to 636. So again we can remove the brackets. So that is 9n plus 4n squared minus 4n. We can bring 636 to this side. So that is 600 minus 636 equals to 0. So that is, let's form a quadratic equation which is 4n squared plus 5n minus 636 equals to 0. So now we have got a quadratic equation. Now we need to find the value for n by using splitting the middle term method. So here we can write 4n squared plus 5n minus 636 equals to 0. So we need to split the middle term in a way that the splitter terms, the product of the splitter terms should be equal to the product of the constant and coefficient of the n squared, which is a squared term. So here we can split 600 plus 5n to 48 times 53 will give you 636, and 53 minus 48 also will give you plus 5. So that is, it will be 4n squared plus 53n minus 48n minus 636 equals to 0. So we have splitted 5n like into 48n 53, which is 53n minus 48n. Also 53 multiplied by 48 will also give you 636 multiplied by 4. 636 multiplied by 4 is equal to 600. Yeah. So that's how we split the middle terms. So which we can write it as 4. We can take n common here. So that is 4n plus 53 minus, again we can take 4n minus 53. We can take 12 outside. 4n minus 53 equals to 0. So that is either n minus 12 multiplied by 4n plus 53, 4n plus 53, sorry, plus 53 equals to 0. So we know either n equals to 12 or n equals to minus 53 by 4. So we know the number of terms can be only positive number. It can be only a positive integer. It cannot neither be a negative integer or a fraction. So n equals to number of terms equals to 12. So we have find the common difference is equals to 8 and the total number of terms in that AP is 12. Let's see the next question. So the fifth question. The first term of an AP is 5, the last term is 45 and the sum is 400. Find the number of terms and the common difference. So we know if we know the first term and the last term, the formula to find the sum is Sn equals to n by 2 multiplied by a plus L, which is a is the first term and L is the last term. So here the first a equals to 5 and L equals to 45. S equals to 400. Let's replace this in the values. So that is n by 2. We don't know the value of n by 2 multiplied by a plus L. 5 plus 45 equals to 400. Correct? So that is n by 2 multiplied by 50 equals to 400. So that is 25n equals to 400. N equals to 400 divided by 25 equals to how much it is? 25, 4. That will be 16. 25 times 16 is 400. So number of terms equals to 16. Also we need to find the common difference. So for common difference we know any last term we can write a plus any nth term is an equals to the formula to find the an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So here 45 is the last term here. So that is a equals to 5 plus last term. How many terms are there in the AP? It is 16. N equals to 16. 16 minus 1 into d equals to how much? 45. Correct? 45 is the last term. So here which is 5 plus 16 minus 1, that is 15d equals to 45. 15d equals to 45 minus 5. 15d equals to 40. D equals to 40 divided by 15, which can also be 8 divided by 3. So the common difference is 8 divided by 3. We find the number of terms equals to 16 and the common difference is 8 divided by 3. Let's see the next question. Question number 6. The first and the last terms of an AP are 17 and 350 respectively. If the common difference is 9, how many terms are there and what is their sum? So we have given the first term and the last term and the common difference. We need to find the number of terms and the sum of the AP. So for any we can write A equals to A1 equals to 17. An equals to, which is the last term, equals to 350. D equals to 9. These are the given values. So for any nth term, we know an equals to how much, which is a plus n minus 1 into d. So let's replace these values for the nth term. We have given an equals to 300. The last term is 350. So that is 17 plus n minus 1 into d is 9 equals to 350. Correct? So that is 17 plus 9n minus 9 equals to 350, which is 9n equals to 350 minus 17 plus 9, which is 9n equals to 342. Correct? N equals to 342 divided by 9. So that is 9, it will be 3, balance 7, 72. So that is 8, which is n equals to 38. So the number of terms in this AP is 38. Now we need to find the sum. So we know if we know the last term and the first term. So the formula to find the sum is Sn equals to n by 2 multiplied by a plus L, where a and L, a is the first term and L is the last term. So that is n equals to 38 divided by 2 and a equals to how much? A is 17 and last term is 350. A is 17 plus 350, which is equals to 38 divided by 2 multiplied by 17 plus 350. So that is 367, which is equals to, we can multiply this here, 17 into 367. So that will be 367. No, so it will be 19, not 17. It is 19 here. 367 multiplied by 19. 7 9s are 63. 6 9s are 54. 60 plus 6, 3 9s are 27. 27 plus 6, 33. 1 7s are 7. 6, 3, which is 3, 7, 9, 6. 6973. 6973. So the sum of 38 terms of this AP is 6973. Let's see the next question. Next question, question number 7. Find the sum of first 22 terms of an AP in which D equals to 7 and 22nd term is 149. So we need to find the sum of the first 22 terms. And we have given on the common difference and the last term. So we know D equals to 7 and N equals to 22 and AN, which is A 22 equals to 149. So for any nth term we can write AN equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. Correct? So that is A we don't know. So A plus N minus 1, which is 22 minus 1. Common difference here is 7 equals to 149. So that is A plus 22 minus 1, 21. 21 times 7. So that is 21 times 7. 147. A plus 147 equals to 149. So A equals to 149 minus 147. A equals to 2. So now we find the first term, which is 2. So now we need to find the sum of the first 22 terms. So for any Sn, if we know the first term and the last term, so that is Sn equals to n by 2 multiplied by A plus L. Correct? So that is Sn equals to n by 2. N equals to 22 divided by 2 multiplied by A equals to 2. 2 plus and 22nd term is 149, which is equals to 11. We can 11 multiplied by 2 plus 149, 11 multiplied by 151, which is 151 times 11. Let's do that here. 151, 151. So that is 1661. 1661. The sum of the first 22 terms of this AP is 1661. Yeah. So let's see the next question. Find the sum of first 51 terms of an AP whose second and third terms are 14 and 18 respectively. So we need to find the sum of the 51 terms of an AP, and we have given the second and third terms. So we know for A2 equals to 14 and A3 equals to 18. So from here we can find the common difference. So D equals to A3 minus A2, which is 18 minus 4. 18 minus 14, which is 4. So the common difference is 4. Now let's find A. So for A2, we can write A2 equals to A plus D, right? A plus the first term plus common difference will give you the second term. So A2 equals to A plus D. So A2 is here, 14 equals to A plus 4. D equals to common difference is 4 here. So A equals to 14 minus 4, which equals to 10. A equals to 10. So the first term is 10. Now let's find the sum of the 51 terms. So if we know the first term and the last, no, we don't know the last term, so we can use the other form, which is Sn equals to n by 2 multiplied by 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Correct? So that is Sn equals to n by 2. N equals to how much? 51 terms. 51 divided by 2 multiplied by 2A. 2 times 10. A equals to 10 plus n minus 1. Again 51 minus 1 into D. D equals to 4. Correct? So that will be, we can write here 51 divided by 2 multiplied by 2 times 10. So that is 20 plus 51 minus 1. 50 times 4 will give you how much? 200. 51 minus 1 is 50. 50 times 4 is 200. So that is 51 divided by 2 multiplied by 220. Correct? So that can be as 110. So which is 51 times 110. So 110. 11 minus 51. 1. So again 5 and 5. So that is 165. 5610. So the sum of the first 51 terms of this AP is 5610, and we find the first term is equals to 10. The sum is equals to 5610. So let's continue this exercise in next video. If you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.